goodness, we're outside. It has been a challenge to be outside. So welcome. I thought we'd get moving. I got my dogs here. They're going to annoy the neighbor. That's just the way things go. So, hi. Alright, how about we reach up. And bring our hands together. Oh, that feels good. Let's go up and back. Wow. And we're going to fold forward all the way. I'm just going to touch the earth. Come halfway up, that'll be a deep breath. And then we'll fold with an exhale. Hands to the knees, let's roll that up. And the shoulders are down. That is nice, right? Okay, I'm just trying to frame the shot a little bit. Excuse me. There. Okay, now you got Pixie too. Right, Pix? You in the shot? Alright, let's get moving. We'll take the arms up, bring the hands together. We're going up. We'll twist to the right. Let's go up. It's a twist to the left. We're up, twist to the right. Up, twist to the left. One more. Up. Exhale, twist. Up. Other side. Come back to the center. Your hands together. Let's go up. Back. Again, we're going to fold all the way. All the way. Hands to the knees, roll up. And the shoulders down the back. Left arm's behind, right arm's going over your head. Switch. Oh man, that feels good. Up and over. Other side. Again. Man, I love that. Up. And release. Beautiful. Let's do the figure eight. Hands on your hips. Do the figure eight. Pixie, do that yoga over here. Come on. She's up on the deck behind the camera doing her stretches. Doing the figure eight. Go the other way. Oh man, that feels good. Alright, let's twist a little bit. Twisting. Feels good. How we take the right arm across the chest, let your shoulders come down. That feels pretty good. And then we'll just throw your arm over that shoulder. Let's go up. Love that. Draw the arm in closer to your head. And release. Yeah! Try the other side. Arms across the chest. Throw the arm over your shoulder. Hey, feet. Let's take it up and bring it back. From the top. And release. Alright, I think we're going to move a little bit. Let's try. Arms go up, hands together. We're going up, back, we'll fold forward, all the way we'll touch the floor. Step your feet back. It is plank pose. Push up pose. Push the heels back. Just take a little step in. We're going for down dog. Woo! Hands are pushing down and away from you. Move your hips back. How about we walk the dog a little bit? Bend those knees. Alright, we'll come onto the toes, bend your knees, and walk up to your hands. We're halfway up, that's a deep breath in. And we'll fold with an exhale. Hands to the knees, we'll roll that up, shoulders down, arms go up, hands to prayer. Let's go up, back, we're folding forward, exhale, step back for plank. Plank pose! Drop and give me 20. Put your knees on the floor. Let's do some cat-cow. Inhale, sink the belly, hips up, chin up. Oh man, that feels good. Exhale, round your back, scoop it in. Sink your chest. Inhale, cow. Rounding cat. Inhale, cow. Exhale, cat. Inhale, cow. Exhale, cat. One more time. Inhale and cow. Exhale, cat. Come back to table. It's a deep breath in. Inhale and cow. And now we're going to lift the knees up. We're going to hang out here in the beast. So just hover your knees over the mat. We're breathing. Strong. Fabulous. Woo! Inhale, cow. Exhale, down dog. Woo. Onto the toes, bend your knees, and walk up to your hands. Halfway up, inhale. Exhale, fold. Hands to the knees, we roll that up. Arms go up, hands to prayer. Up, back, exhale, fold. All the way. Hands down on the floor. Step your feet back for plank. Put your knees on the floor. Lower the hips, lower the hips. Lift your chest, it's cobra. Ah. Exhale. Child's pose. Hello, baby. Hi. Hello. Hi, Pete. Hello. Yeah. Yay, Pete. Child's pose. Yay. Table. Hello, Pixie. And down dog. Mwah. Onto the toes, bend the knees, and walk up to your hands. Halfway up, inhale. Exhale, fold. What are you eating? Halfway up. Fold, exhale, bend the knees. Hands to the knees, roll that up. All right, let's go, Pete. Up, inhale, hands together. Up and back. Exhale, fold, hands down. Plank pose. Enjoy yourself, Pixie. Relax. Plank pose. Let's go for down dog. Downward facing dog. Oh, that feels good. Let's shift the weight into the left leg. The right knee is going out to the side for our fire hydrant. And we're just going to move that knee around a little bit. Warm up the hip. Okay, let's go for pigeon. We'll bring the knee up. It's going behind your right wrist. Left leg stretches back. This is, again, my sister Barbara rocks this one. So here we are, pigeon. Woo! How's that feeling today? I know, pigeon will change your life. Stretch the left leg back. Bring the hands in a little closer. Lift your chest up, long neck. Lifting the top of the head straight up. So we'll hang out here. Oh, I'm having an idea. All right, so we'll hang out here, a couple of breaths. And you can enjoy this. Or you can stretch your arms out. Come onto your elbows. Maybe you can come all the way down. Or if you're feeling saucy, I know some of you are kind of wild like that. Let's take your right arm. We have right knee. Right arm will go across the mat. Lower down. Woo! Left arm can go behind your back. Woo-wee! We're working that left hip down toward the floor. Down toward the ground. All right, let's unwrap that. Woo! It's a deep breath in. Exhale, down dog. Woo-hoo! All right, we'll come onto the toes, bend the knees, and walk up to your hands. We're halfway up. That's a deep breath, flat back. Fold, exhaling. Hands on the knees, roll that up, shoulders down. Arms go up, hands to prayer. Let's go up and back. Again, we're folding forward, hands down. Step your feet back for plank. Push-up pose. Strong. Okay, down dog. Hips way up high and moving back. Oh, that feels good for hamstrings. All right. Shift the weight into your right leg. The left knee goes out to the side. It's fire hydrant. We're going to move that knee around. Move the knee around. Cover your tummy, Mary. Woo. Move the knee around. Oh, that does feel good. Okay, let's go for pigeon. Bring the knee all the way up behind your left wrist. Right leg stretches back. Oh man, that feels good. Whew. Try to move that knee, that right leg, that right, hip bone toward the floor or forward, down. Bring your hands a little bit closer. Keep breathing. Lift the top of your head straight up. Woo. All right, so we can hang out here and breathe. Maybe you come down on your elbows. Maybe you come and put your head down on your hands. Or maybe we get really crazy and we take the left arm across the mat. Right arm can go behind your shoulder. Woo! That is a pose. Woohoo! Keep breathing. Work that right hip down. Woohoo! All right, let's unwrap that baby. That was a rocket. Bring the leg forward. So I think we'll hold on to the big toe in our toe lock. Let the shoulders come down. Lift those feet up. Yeah. Whoa! Flying butterfly. So you're holding your toe with your fingers rather than hooking your toes around your fingers. We don't want to hurt your feet. All right. Woo! Shoulders down, feet together. Lift the chest. One more time. Flying butterfly. Hey, let's have fun. Let's go for our flower pose. Take the arms underneath the knees. Let the shoulders come down. Open up your toes and your fingers. Keep breathing. And we're smiling because you're a beautiful flower. All right, let's hug the knees in. Woo, round your back, chin is to the chest. And we'll roll that up. Stretch your legs out. Arms are going up, hands together. Let's go up. We'll make a little twist to the right. Zip up your legs, knees together, ankles together. Hi, feet. Hello. Nope, okay. Up. Try the other side. Zip, we'll come back to center. Bring your hands to prayer. Let's go up and release. Press your sit bones down, and we'll just take the right arm over your head. We'll go for a side stretch, side bend. Woo! Try the other one. Man, that's nice. And release. Well, I guess that's going to be it for now. So thanks for checking in. Thanks for looking at my YouTube videos. Hey, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if you click the bell, you'll get notified every time I put a video up before I email you. Because sometimes this email thing, well, you know. So subscribe to my YouTube channel and click the bell to get notified for new videos. All right, y'all. Reach up, bring your hands together. Thank you for checking in. Thank you for keeping in touch. It really is important. I feel connected to you when I make videos. So thanks for watching them. The light in me honors the light in you. I wish you peace, and in every sense of the word, I wish you peace in your thoughts. I wish you peace in your words, and I wish you peace within your heart. Namaste. Bye. Here, Pete. Let's say goodbye. All right. Pete says bye too. Pete says bye.